How to get CapCut Pro on Windows PC, no cracking, no screen recording, no virus, and works on all the versions, whatever version you are using. Let's get started. Step number 1. Go to the official CapCut website and download for Windows PC. After that, go to the downloaded folder and install CapCut. I have already installed. Open CapCut after installation. If you want to sign in, you can sign in. If you don't want, it's alright. In my case, I logged in with the help of Google. You can see my version is 6.1.2. It can be any version. Now go to create a project. You will see all the features here. If you don't see, use a VPN. In my case, I'm using VPN. You can get 60% discount with my coupon code. Link is in the description. You can download. CapCut works with this VPN. Here are some of the videos. I'm gonna import 3 videos. Drag them to the timeline. You can see these pro features here. Just drag them to anywhere you want. Now select all of them. Right click, create compound clip. Right click again, create pre-process compound clip subproject. Alright. Now press Window plus R key and type your app data. Now follow the video. Local, CapCut. Here, here is our project. Go to resources, combination. You will see these 2 videos. Right now, this video is not showing the thumbnail. Make sure that this pre-process has been completed and it's 100%. Otherwise, this will not work. Now, the pre-process has been completed 100%. If you go to this folder, now you can see the thumbnail. What you need to do here, follow the process. Right, drag it on the video like this. Replace. Export. Boom, here we go. I'm pretty sure this method is working 100%. You can write a comment, like this video, share among your friends and the people in need. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.